Welcome to Best Buy Report. The Best Tree Remote is probably one of the most convenient holiday decorations you can get. Imagine effortlessly controlling your Christmas tree lights, animations, and sounds with just a click. No more crawling behind the tree to plug and unplug it. This video will explore the features, benefits, and things to consider when choosing the perfect universal Christmas tree remote for your home. Number 5. BN-Link Wireless Remote Control Outlet Switch. This BN-Link kit has everything you need to get started, even the remote batteries. It's simple to plug and play, or you can sync the outlets to fit your needs. The RF receivers and transmitters work through walls and doors without causing interference. The signal can reach up to 100 feet in a clear line of sight. You can pair multiple outlets together to expand your system. This allows you to control all your appliances from the palm of your hand. Use the remote or the outlets themselves to turn your appliances on and off. It's great for almost any electronic device, including lights and holiday decorations. The outlets will stay off after a power outage, saving energy and protecting your appliances. It is rated for 120V, 10A, and 1200W, but is not compatible with shop vacs. What we like? This remote is ready to go right out of the box, including batteries. It boasts a strong signal that works through walls. If you have multiple appliances to control, this system's flexibility allows you to expand easily. If you are looking for a simple, reliable solution, this is a great choice. What people say. Remote is so responsive. No setup required. Just plug it in and it works. The remote control is preset. Number 4. HBN Wireless Remote Control Outlet. This kit comes with everything you need, including batteries. You can simply plug it in and start using it right away, or sync the outlets to fit your needs. This outlet is built to withstand rain and harsh weather conditions. Remember to place the plug at least 2 feet off the ground, with the plug pointing downwards to prevent water damage. You can sync multiple outlets together, no matter the frequency. It's also easy to expand your system with other remote control outlet kits. Easily control your appliances with the remote or directly from the outlet. It works great with various devices, such as lights, air conditioners, and holiday decorations. The outlets stay off after a power outage, saving energy and protecting your devices. It is rated for 125V, 15A, and has an operating temperature range of -15 to +55 degrees Celsius. What we like? This remote is designed to withstand the elements, making it perfect for outdoor use. It's also ready to go, and offers a flexible system. If you want to control your outdoor Christmas lights or other decorations, this is the one for you. What people say. The remote has great range and makes turning the lights on and off so simple. The little remote made it very convenient for instant light back there. Works great. Have my shop vac connected to it and helps a lot having the remote. Number 3. BN-Link Wireless Remote Control Outlet Switch. This BN-Link outlet kit has everything you need to get started, including batteries for the remote. It's simple to plug and play, or you can sync the outlets to fit your needs. The RF receivers and transmitters work through walls and doors without causing interference. The signal can reach up to 100 feet away if there is a clear line of sight. You can pair multiple remote outlets together to expand your system. This allows you to control all the appliances in your home from the palm of your hand. Use the remote or the outlets themselves to turn your appliances on and off. It works great with many devices, such as lights, air conditioners, and holiday decorations. The outlets will stay off after a power outage to save energy and protect your appliances. It's rated for 120V, 10A, and 1200W, but it is not compatible with shop vacuums. What we like? This remote is ready to go right out of the box, including batteries. It boasts a strong signal that works through walls. If you have multiple appliances to control, this system's flexibility allows you to expand easily. If you are looking for a simple, reliable solution, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy to use, and you can use it on 3 different outlets, and it has a remote button for each location. Makes life so much easier. Love it, and super simple to plug in and start up. This device makes it so easy to just turn on and off the lights whenever I want. Number 2. DEWENWILS Wireless Remote Control Outlet Kit. This wireless remote control switch is ready to use right out of the box. No programming is needed, just plug it in and it works. It's designed to make your life easier. The remote control has a strong RF signal that can go through walls and doors. It offers a range of up to 100 feet in open areas. You don't need to have a direct line of sight to use it. The outlet's compact size means it only takes up one wall socket. This leaves other outlets free for use. Its design is also made to fit in with any room decor. You can add more remotes and outlets to the system. It's easy to customize and expand to meet your needs. You can create a system that works best for you. It's ETL and FCC listed, and can handle up to 10A 1200 watts. The outlet stays closed after a power outage for safety. It's suitable for many household appliances. What we like? This remote features a compact design that won't hog your outlets. It offers a strong RF signal for reliable control. If you are looking for a space-saving and easy-to-use solution, this is a great choice. What people say. It works from 100 feet away. The buttons are large and you can clearly see the on-off buttons. It works extremely well. Housings are solid, not overly cheap and thin plastic. Using mine to control a string of 3 45-inch, 5000 lumen, LED lights in garage shop. Was previously using the toggle switches and the light cords for on-off control. Had to leave a cord hanging low enough from ceiling to be reachable. Now have built a wall mount case for this control that is easily reached upon entering garage shop. Item was easy plug and play. Number 1. Treemote Wireless Remote Switch for Christmas Lights. Tired of crawling behind the tree to turn on your lights? This is the perfect solution. It allows you to control your holiday lighting from up to 100 feet away. Setting up is incredibly simple. Just plug the receiver into the wall and your lights into the receiver. It's that easy to use. With Treemote, you can relax and enjoy your decorations. It's perfect for Christmas trees, stairways, and more. The unique Christmas tree-shaped design adds to your holiday decor. It's battery-operated and easy to use. Press the button once to turn the lights on, and again to turn them off. The battery is included, so it's ready to go right out of the box. Looking for a great stocking stuffer? This is a great gift idea. It's also useful year-round for hard-to-reach light fixtures. Don't worry about buying batteries, it comes with one. Remember to remove the plastic protective cover over the battery before operating. What we like? This remote is specifically designed for Christmas trees and other holiday lighting. It's incredibly easy to use with a simple on-off button. If you want a dedicated remote for your Christmas tree and decorations, this is the perfect option. What people say. The remote also works from a reasonable distance. It is so easy to press the remote to turn it on and off when needed. A handheld remote is much easier to use. Also, I love the fact that the remote itself looks like a little Christmas tree because I have several other remotes to turn on many outdoor Christmas lights and inflatables. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.